Hey guys, I got a call from Ola about the number plate installation. I bought this number on 8th April and 6 days after that I got a call that the number plate was ready. I wanted this number plate frame. These installation guys were charging 300 rupees for that. Thanks to Karthik for sharing this on Instagram. It costed around 100. I'll leave the link in the description. Now he's drilling holes. He had a battery powered driller. Now sliding the number plate into the frame. Now he's sliding in the back number plate into the frame. Now he placed the rivets and is locking them in. Same thing with the front number plate. They definitely look much steady and strong with the frame. I would definitely suggest everyone to get this on Amazon. The whole process took around 20 minutes and they charged 50 rupees for the whole process. The TR number plate which they gave were just foam material. I leave the Amazon link for this product in the description. Do check out.